Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in South Carolina. Now I believe that what you should do in business is actually focusing on growth, running the business, making money, and not taking care too much about accountancy, administration, and how we can create a business. So therefore what I recommend is just click on the link down below in the description on this video, and when you're gonna do it, you will get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you start your own LLC really fast, really effective, and in this video I will focus on step by step how you can start your own LLC. So here you want to click on start my business. Here you would choose an LLC and then state of formation. Just found South Carolina, and here you're gonna have 3 plans: silver, gold, and platinum. Now my recommendation is going with the middle way, with the gold, because you're gonna have it as a full package. With the silver one, you're gonna have the free registered agent, unlimited name searches, preparing, filling articles of organization. But with the gold, you're gonna have the business tax number that Incfile is going to apply for it. Then also operating agreement, IRS form, online access dashboard. So also the business tax consultation, which is huge. And with the platinum one, you're gonna have the business contract template, expedited filling. So your LLC would be filled faster, and then domain name, business email. So these 3 things. Now, when you're gonna choose, let's say, a gold version right here, you're gonna start with a contact name and address. So let's start here, like let's say Marcus.Elius, and now I'm going to add tutorial email, and then I'm going to have South Carolina here and number, and then you're gonna add a street address. Okay. Okay. Now you have option to have 2 business days or 3 weeks filling time. So you choose that based if you want to wait for your LLC to be filled, if you choose the gold package. And now you're gonna have the LLC name. So here you're gonna write your name that you created by your LLC. So it can be, let's say, Marketing Marcus, or I don't know, whatever name that's like your brand. And then designator, you're gonna have LLC Limited Company. You would choose that. Number of members and owners, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, you would choose it. Business purpose, here you would write, let's say, I provide marketing services for small business owners, and then industry keyword. So I'm going to have here marketing consulting services. And when I have it, I'm going to have also the company address information. So you can have option to have a professional business address or use your own address. So these 2 options that you have. And then you're gonna have the street address here and city and everything. When you got it, you're gonna press next here. Or your own, like with the principal company address. Now when you got it, you get also option to have a premium service package. So this is if you want to have upgrade from the gold package, if you choose the gold package, and you have options to have a 25 high quality legal documents if you want them. This is optional. That's nothing that you have to have, or domain name, business email. If you don't need those, just click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you see the members. So you see that you're gonna have a member as an individual, or you're gonna have also the company. So if you're representing a company, which is a company here, if you're a member, just click here individual, then press next again. Then you're gonna find the registered agent information. So here you have option to have like assign Incfile to have you as a registered agent for free for the first year, or you can act as your own. My recommendation is have it by Incfile, so they will cover it for you. And that's something that I definitely recommend for you to do. And then when you have this also, you can click simply next. Here you're gonna have the tax identification number information here. So like Incfile will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. Then you would add a first name, last name, and SSN number. And when you have it, you would add physical address. Now, of course, like if you are a foreign individual, you would press yes here and then you would continue. Click next again. And then you can have like, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. And then please next again. So you have option to have a like bank account with Bank of America, and they would contact you if you would click here, yes, please have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you. Then I would click next again. You're gonna have also the option to have a free consultation here. So this is something that I definitely recommend for you to have by Incfile, that you will learn how your LLC is taxed, commonly missed deductions, how to reduce self-employment taxes, how to reduce the chance for the IRS audit, all of that. And you would click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation for free. And then we identify 2 business licenses. So this is something also really important to have. And I recommend to let it be for the Incfile. And what you can do is simply click here, yes, identify all licenses I need, and then you would click street address, address city. And when you have it, and when you have the licenses on, you would click next. And here you're gonna review order for your LLC in South Carolina. And here you would have contact info, agent, company information, member info, business tax, tax information. And when you have it all, you would click next again. And then the last thing is the billing information here. So first name, last name, card number, and this is how we're gonna finish the video. And this is pretty much it, how we do it, right? So if you're gonna have any like questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.